Hi, I'm Pippa from Maverick Coffee, and today I want to do a short video on how to make a Rooibos latte using your Nespresso SealPod machine. This will be the same for a Dolce Gusto SealPod as well, but we're using an espresso machine today. So for those of you that don't know, Rooibos is a fermented herb that comes from a plant found only in South Africa. It's rich in antioxidants, including, it has minerals including iron, zinc, copper, magnesium, and there's lots of studies to show health benefits as well. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, it reduces blood pressure, it's good for cholesterol, and it's good for your skin as well. So for those of you that want to give it a go, I thought I'd do a quick demonstration. It's also caffeine-free, which is handy for people that are trying to reduce their coffee. This is a great alternative. So what I've done, I've already done one shot of Rooibos because I like a double shot of, well, coffee and Rooibos when I'm making a drink using the SealPod. I've done one, but I'm going to demonstrate doing the second one for you. So we've got our Rooibos here. We've got our SealPod, our Nespresso SealPod. We're going to fill it up as we do with coffee and just tamp it down really hard and just fill again, just so it's completely full. Now, the difference between Rooibos and coffee, which we grind a lot finer, is that obviously this is quite coarse, it's quite large chunks. So what is going to happen is when you put this through the machine, the water is going to run through a lot more quickly. Don't worry, because you'll still get a good flavour out of it. It's just we can't grind the Rooibos, it already comes as it is, and it still tastes great. But doing a double shot does mean you get extra flavour out of it. Just waiting for the machine to turn back on. And in the meantime, I'm going to foam some oat milk. Oatly oat milk I find is best with the Rooibos. Okay, so that stopped. I'm going to just press the espresso shot button just to get a short shot out of it. See how quickly it's running? That's fine, absolutely fine. Colour looks amazing as well. Now, you're never going to be able to do amazing latte art out of one of these Nespresso frothers. We tend to find that it froths it quite a lot. You get a lot of foam on top, which will stop you from being able to have a good consistency and being able to do any latte art on there. You can scoop off a bit of foam on top, which is what I do. But to be honest, it's the flavour that counts, and you can get a pretty good flavour. Okay, so it's finished steaming. And what we're going to do is pour that into this jug. It's actually not too foamy at all. This is where your barista skills come in now. And there you have it, an amazing Rooibos latte.